Hello everyone, I am Sharvi, Pallavi, Samir, Sapre and I study in Espalier, the experimental school. First, let me thank you for giving me an opportunity to participate in this prestigious program and to express my thoughts before this intellectual gathering. In our tiny brain, there hides a seed that, if nurtured properly, can grow into a huge tree. It is my temperament that I always want to follow my own way rather than to follow the highway, and that is why I have chosen a very different topic to this occasion. My subject is unification of Vedas and science. Now, you may find it strange, but I feel that it is the need for our this unification will certainly find the solutions to the universal, national and even the man-made problems that we are facing today. Now you may ask how the Vedas are connected to science? Yes, they are. According to some scientists, Vedas are nothing but the science in poetry. Even the modern scientists like Werner Heisenberg, Niels Bohr and Nikola Tesla also claim that they were inspired by the Vedas. Bohr clearly says that I went to the Upanishads to ask questions. Now, these are not ordinary people, so there must be a substance in what they say. The Vedas are not a jumble of mantras to invoke the invisible God. They contain a deep scientific meaning gathered by the seers by studying the nature around them. They tried to woo it rather than to command it. They studied a set of laws that govern the universe. Now, what are the laws of nature and how do they affect your life? How do the distant objects like the sun, moon, stars and planets affect your life? They do not change your destiny, but they change your life. The Vedic texts are full of calculations which can be verified even today. The main subject matter of Vedas is the study of forces that govern the universe and the cycle of time. Stephen Hawking has written a book called A Brief History of Time. In this, an arrow of time always goes forward, but our Vedic arrow takes us back to the period of Big Bang. Here the point to be noted, the Vedas call it an awakening of Brahmas. The calculation of the Vedas and the scientists about this period are the same. The Nasdya Sukta in the Rig Veda is an exact description of the Big Bang event. Not only this, but there are descriptions about the elementary particles, solar cycle, solar winds and electromagnetic forces that govern the universe. The difficulty is that they are randomly scattered over the text and we do not find the link. The other difficulty is the language. Few of us know that the Vedic Sanskrit is far too different from the Panini Sanskrit that we are taught today. It is of a little use to study the Vedas. Even a single word in the Vedic Sanskrit can sometimes have 16 meanings. The choice is difficult. The absurdities in the present Hinduism comes from these difficulties. Take the word Gau. It means the earth in the Vedas. It is never a synonym for the word cow. If you think about the 5 elements, Prithvi, Aap, Tej, Vayu and Akash, you will learn nothing. But if you take them as solid, liquid, gas, space and energy, you will understand the Vedic science. So, I wish that if proper environment is created by the government, lots of brilliant students will restore this science and benefit the mankind. Thank you.